മത്സര പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടേഴ്സ്, കാലിക്കറ്റ്. 7th സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ്, ചാപ്റ്റർ 2, മിഡീവൽ ഇന്ത്യ കൾച്ചറൽ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്സ്. വൺ. ഹൂ റോട്ട് ദ ബുക്ക് പെരുമാൾ തിരുമൊഴി? ആൻസർ: കുലശേഖര ആൾവാർ. ടു. The Vishnu devotees in South India between 7th and 12th centuries are generally known as? Answer: Alvars. Three. The Shiva devotees in South India between 7th and 12th centuries generally known as? Answer: Nayanars. Four. The writings of the Alvars collectively known as? Answer: നാലായിര ദിവ്യപ്രബന്ധം. Five. The writings of the Nayanars collectively known as? Answer: തിരുമുറൈകൾ. Six. Andal, the famous poet of the Bhakti movement, belonged to which sect? Answer: Alvars. Seven. Karakkal Ammayar belonged to which Bhakti movement sect? Answer: Nayanars. 8. Who founded the Veerashaiva movement in Karnataka in the 12th century? Answer: Basavanna. Those who belonged to the Veerashaiva movement were known as Lingayats because they wore Shiva lingams around their necks. 9. The spiritual forum established by Basavanna was known as? Answer: Anubhava Mandapam. 10. Who were the prominent people who led the discussions in Anubhava Mandapam? Answer: Allama Prabhu and Akka Mahadevi. 11. The ideas that emerged in Anubhava Mandapam were known as? Answer: Vajanas. 12. Whose message is that there is no need for intermediaries in the worship of God? Answer: Basavanna. 11. Name the prominent person of the Bhakti movement who was a weaver living in Uttar Pradesh in the 15th century. Answer: Kabir. 14. The hymns through which Kabir spread his ideas known as. Answer: Dohas. 15. What is the meaning of the word Dohas? Answer: meaningful couplets. 16. Which are the main works of Kabir? Answer: Bijak and Sakhi Grantha. 17. Who said that Hindus and Muslims are two vessels made of the same soil? Answer: Kabir. 18. Who was the founder of Sikh religion? Answer: Guru Nanak. 'The term Sikh means student or disciple. 19. Where was Guru Nanak born? Answer: Talwandi. 'Talwandi village in Sheikhpura, Punjab province is currently in Pakistan. 20. The prayer songs composed by Guru Nanak were known as. Answer: Shabad. 21. The community kitchen established by Guru Nanak is known as. Answer: Langar. 22. Which is the holy book of Sikh religion? Answer: Guru Granth Sahib or Adi Grantha. Adi Grantha was codified by Sikh Guru Arjan Dev. Adi Granth was written in Gurumukhi script. Gurumukhi script was adopted and formalized by the second Sikh Guru, Guru Angad. 23. Mirabai, who was a prominent female in Bhakti movement, was born in which state? Answer: Rajasthan. 24. The Krishna devotional songs composed by Mirabai were known as. Answer: Krishna Bhajans. 25. The women from Kashmir, who was a prominent presence in Bhakti movement. Answer: Lal Ded. 26. Who are the prominent women of Bhakti movement from Maharashtra? Answer: Bahinabai and Soirabai. 27. Bhakti movement in Islam sect is known as. Answer: Sufism. 28. The word Sufism is derived from the word Saf, meaning wool, or from the word Safi, meaning purity. The different sects of Sufism of Central Asia were known as. Answer: Silsilas. 29. Which are the main Sufi sects that came to India from Central Asia? Answer: Chishti and Suhrawardi. 30. Sufi gurus are generally called as. Answer: Peer or Sheikh. 31. The followers of Sufi masters are known as. Answer: Murid. 32. The residents of Sufis known as. Answer: Gangas. 33. The devotional songs of Sufis known as. Answer: Qawwali. 'Qawwalis are devotional songs rendered in a special chanting style called Sama in the Sufi centers. Sufi poet Amir Khusru considered the father of Qawwali. Amir Khusru is also described as the parrot of India. Who was the Sufi saint who was the teacher of Amir Khusru? Answer: Sheikh Nizamuddin Auliya. 35. Who was the prominent saint of Chishti Sufi sect in India? Answer: Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. 'The Mausoleum or Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, situated in Ajmer, Rajasthan. 36. Who is the author of the famous work Gita Govinda? Answer: Jayadevan. 'Jayadeva was the court scholar of Lakshmana Sena, the ruler of Bengal. Gita Govinda is also known as Ashtapadi in Kerala. 37. Who wrote the Hindi poem Padmavat? Answer: Malik Muhammad Jayasi. 38. Who is the author of Jnanapana? Answer: Poondanam. 39. Who is the author of Adhyatma Ramayanam Kilipattu? Answer: Tunjathu Ramanujan Eluthachan. 40. 40. Who wrote the Arabic Malayalam literature Muhyiddin Mala? Answer: Qazi Muhammad. Muhyiddin Mala is the first poem found in Arabic Malayalam literature. The full name of the writer was Qazi Muhammad ibn Abdul Aziz. 41. Who was the blind devotee poet who was a disciple of Mughal ruler Akbar? Answer: Sur Das. 42. Who is the author of Ramacharitamanasa? Answer: Tulasidas. 43. The Bhakta poet who was the founder of Shuddhadvaita Siddhanta. Answer: Vallabhacharya.
കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.